What's up friends, this is Marci, and in this video I am going to share with you how to make this really pretty origami box, and it is collapsible as you see here, so you can send it as happy mail to someone on the other side of the world, or just, to your neighbor, or just to put a gift card in, or just to put it inside your journal when you travel so that you take some, post-it notes, some stickers, goodies in there, and it is collapsible so you can open it back up, use your stuff and put it back in your journal, and it will be a nice little way to travel with your stuff. And why not put just a note or a present in there for someone when they're having a birthday? This is a really nice, easy way to wrap a gift card or a necklace or just a little note for Father's Day or Mother's Day. I mean, how easy is it to make a collapsible box? Well, follow what I do here and you'll be able to make this in a jiffy. So, if you do make it and you love what you do and you want to say, thank you, Marci, this was a great idea, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and share your photo and give me permission so that I can also share it and everyone can see what a beautiful box, the little box you make, Yeah, so this is me after a third cup of coffee. Yeah, pardon my enthusiasm. But I'm just having fun here, and I really like this project. I think you'll be able to make it super fast. I mean, this video it's not even 6 minutes long. I mean, honestly, it's just super easy to make and a fun way to keep your stickers, your trinkets, or just to give it as a gift to someone. So if you do enjoy my video and you like my crafts and you like my channel and you like how caffeinated I am today, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and also the notification bell so you won't miss another video of mine. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the idea of giving this as a gift, or just take it with you when you travel, or just, make it for fun. I'm sure that everyone is bored at home sometimes. This is also fun if you teach your kids how to make it, or your grandkids, or your sister or brother out. Just have fun, be creative, enjoy the free time you have, and share with others. Have an amazing day, guys, and I hope you liked my video. Bye!